Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Annabel Blanquera. I am 37 years old. I am married. I live in Zone 7, Lanipda, Camarines Sur. I am college undergraduate. I took up Science of Criminology in Central Bicol State University of Agriculture. I have 2 children, ages 17 and 15 years old. They are both in high school. I have work experience in Malaysia and UAE. In Malaysia, I worked before almost 2 years and 1 month. There are 5 members in the family, 2 adults and 3 children. The main duties are cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, and cooking. In UAE, I worked almost 2 years and 2 months. I serve 7 members in the family, 2 adults and 5 children. My main duties are cleaning, washing clothes, and cooking. To all employers in Hong Kong, please choose me because I am hardworking, caring, loving 2 children, polite, and trustworthy.